Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can give a file path in Microsoft Excel. So let's go quick into the process. Let me just quickly open my Microsoft Excel document. So in your case, you just need to simply click on that as to where you have saved it. But make sure you have saved your document in the Excel first so that you can give the file path in it. Okay, so let's go quick into it. We just need to use this formula. Simply follow me. Type the equal sign on your keyboard and then type cell CELL, the same thing as what I am doing. As you can see on the screen, it's CELL. Now let me zoom this to show you. Okay, let me quickly do it again. It's equal sign and then CELL, as you can see on the screen. Then once done, press the open parenthesis on your keyboard. Then press the open quotation marks and you will find this option. Simply press on file name, double click on it. Now it's like that, as you can see on the formula. Now once done, you just need to end it with a close parenthesis and then hit the enter key on your keyboard. And that's it. You have just added the file path in your Microsoft Excel. So the file path of this document is on the Windows C drive users how to documents book2.xlsx sheet 1. So that's it. As easy as that. You just need to use the easy formula. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.